What's up guys, my name is Johnny Share, aka JohnnyFPV, and today we're going to go over the Air Hogs FPV race drone. Alright, so the first step to getting your Air Hogs FPV race drone up in the air is charging. You're going to take the provided cable, plug it into the drone while the drone is turned off, and plug the other side of the cable into a USB port. You'll know the drone is charging if the red LED on the cable is turned on. If it's turned off, the drone is finished charging. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoy your Air Hogs FPV race drone. The world is your race course, enjoy.